Hello guys, Silver, Game of Thrones. So Black Friday is here, right? I don't know how you, but I think this Black Friday, it's a pure bullshit. Excuse me, but I was shopping some in our mall, and I just see the same prices, even at much higher prices. What they do, they let's say they increase price 2-3 times, and they say, oh, we have 40% discount, and then you see this. For example, I was shopping for some short, and this short was 3 times expensive after 40% discount. It even more expensive than I bought it 2-3 weeks ago. This is, this Black Friday, I think, for idiots. This is my opinion. You can have some deals, but mostly they just try to bullshit you with some, stupid discounts. Okay, anyway, so I got, unfortunately, some people are working today, so I got some packages. I say it's fortunately for me, but unfortunately for people who need to work on Black Friday. So basically, I got from Monument Metals, I got this 10 ounce, 20 ounce, right? 10 ounce. So what they say, they're offering for a new customer, fine silver, and I grabbed this. They have 10, limit 1 per household. Let me open it and see what is inside. What is inside? What is inside? I'll put it inside. 10 ounce basic silver rounds. It's all the same, right? Liberty. Oh, Liberty, United States. Monumental Metals. Okay. But for this price, I was thinking, why not to get it? If it's pure silver, it was like around $17. So, sometimes I try to grab these deals, Not that I'm fan of all this, really generic silver, but, just, to have this silver to dollar ratio, just a basic silver. I hope it's 999 silver, It doesn't sound like a silver. I need to check with my machine, but I believe it's silver. It cannot be not silver. Okay, I'll check later on. So what else we have? We have a couple of silvers from Scottsdale silver. I am also collecting 1 ounce bar, and this is just a bar. In God we trust. Okay. Usually I keep them in my air capsules. Like this. You see it, Guard House. This is from Guard House. I do recommend them. Excellent quality. Just excellent, outstanding quality they have. And it's going to here. Scottsdale silver. I don't know, somehow I was thinking that Scottsdale is from Scotland. Do you know? It's actually from Arizona, from the United States, Scottsdale. In my head it somehow was that, okay, this is Scottsdale from Scotland, but it's not. Yeah, very interesting. Okay, so one more coin here I grab. This is Scotland mint, also round, not coin, so it's a round. Scotland logo, a Leon. Very, very cool round, a Leon. Along with the Scottsdale silver. And what is reserve? Oh, reserve is a cross. Trim, swiveling up it. And we have also word in omnia paratus. Vantran ants in omnia paratus. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, I collect all kind of generic rounds. For this price, why not, right? I have varieties, a lot of them. It's just fun to collect because they're so cheap, you know. Instead of collecting one type, one kind of type, why you cannot collect varieties of them, right? So go in here. Yeah. Cool coin, cool round, sorry. Coin round, bullion, all the same. Cool bullion, cool round. Coin is when you see amount, the dollar amount or euro or whatever it is. But there is no amount here, there is no any, it's not like currency mentioned, so it's a round. Very cool, I do like. So I have these rounds. And the last one, I complain about this chat. The chat quality is so bad, guys, unbelievable. And I complain, I hope that they give me just a refund, but they send me another coin. I hope this coin is much better quality. Let's open it. The last one they sent to me, it was full of dots, you know, full of scratches, you know. And this one, I hope it will be better quality. It should be, otherwise I just send it back again. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is look okay to me now, but still it's not good quality. I don't know, the quality is not good. But they, you know, they have very limited mintage, like 5,000 only. So for 5,000, I think it will have demand anywhere, right? Yeah. The deer, Irish red deer. Okay, they send me new coin, just replacement. Okay, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye bye.